KPM.
Here, like, oh, chocolates! I love chocolates. So we have here, 160 grams. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take. Oh, what's this? Free 240 grams of chocolate. Okay. So I'm going to put this. This is 160 grams, and this is another. Huh? How am I going to fit 240? Maybe this? Oh no! How do I get my free chocolates?
Didik TV KPM.
A very good morning. You are now watching Teroka on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, as your host. Now, before I begin, I want to always remind you to follow the SOPs in place in our battle against COVID-19 to flatten the curve, such as wearing your face mask, wash your hands as often as possible using both water and soap, use hand sanitizer to also ensure that your hands are always clean. And when you have to go out from your home, ensure only you go out for important reasons. But also, when you're among other people, ensure that your distance between you and that person is at least 1 meter apart. And for today, we have a very special teacher with us today for our topic. But before that, let's introduce Mr. Ragu. Hi, Mr. Ragu.
Hi, good morning, Sean.
From SK Bukit Bandaraya, Kuala Lumpur. How are you feeling
This is
today?
my previous school, and now I am at SK Sri Anggrek.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
My mistake, over there. From SK Sri Anggrek, Kuala Lumpur. But
I
before
just
we begin,
shifted in July to my new school.
Okay.
Hey.
So since we're already talking about the topic, maybe you could introduce yourself to our students who's watching.
Sure. Hi, everyone. Good morning. My name is Ragu Ramasamy. I'm teaching in SK Sri Anggrek, and I am a maths teacher. Nice to meet you.
Alright, and before we continue, how about we also practice some SOPs? I've already used the hand sanitizer. Over to you.
Sure.
Very, very important for us to follow the SOPs, ensure everyone is safe so that we can come out from this pandemic as fast as possible.
Exactly.
Alright, and now that we've already got to know our teacher for today, how about we get to know our friends who are online with us? Let's see who they are. Hi everyone! There we go, our bright and happy faces for this morning. So what I'm going to do is, I'll be mentioning your name. Please introduce yourself, yeah? And they are, of course, from SK Bukit Bandaraya. Let's start off first with Jashwin.
Hi and good morning to everyone. My name is Jashwin Krishnamurthy from Sekolah Kebangsaan Bukit Bandaraya. You can call me Jashwin. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too. And next we have Aris.
Assalamualaikum and
good morning everyone. My name is Arish Iskandullah bin Ismail Zuraini. You can call me Arish. I am from SK Bukit Bandaraya. Nice to meet you all.
Alright, thank you Arish. Next we have Zia.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Zia Arif bin Muhammad Zalani. I am from Sekolah Kebangsaan Bukit Bandaraya, and it's a pleasure to meet all of you.
It's a pleasure to meet you too. Next we have Abhishek.
Hi and good morning everyone. I'm Abhishek Kumar VM Kumaran. You can call me Abhishek, and I'm from SK Bukit Bandaraya. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you too, Abhishek. Next we have Shahazik.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Hi, my name is Shazi Adam bin Sharizan. I am from Sekolah Kebangsaan Bukit Bandaraya. Nice to meet all.
Nice to meet you too. And last but not least, we have Noel.
Hi everyone, my name is Noel Benedict Sagai Nadal. Very nice to meet you all. I am from SK Bukit Bandaraya. You can call me Noel Ben.
Alright, thank you so much. And now we've got to know our students. But before we continue, today is the 30th of August, which means tomorrow is our National Day. So in conjunction with National Day, I want to remind you to make sure, be proud to be Malaysians, raise your jalo gemilang actually throughout the whole month,
Yes.
especially tomorrow because we are celebrating our National Day. So make sure you raise your jalo gemilang. And also, in conjunction with our National Day that we're celebrating tomorrow, the Ministry of Education Malaysia is empowering the curriculum implementation KPM Perkasa Ku premier program which will be officially launched by Yang Berbahagia Datin Sri Haja Nur Zamani binti Abdul Hamid, the Director General of Education Malaysia, on the 30th of August 2021 at 2:30 p.m. You can watch it or view it through YouTube, or the link over there you can actually see just at the bottom of the screen. And again, now that we've gotten to know the teacher and also the students, I actually have a problem earlier.
Yes, Sean.
Earlier I saw this.
You were struggling to get 240 grams of chocolate.
Yes. So how do I actually solve this problem? I want my
Sean.
chocolates.
I'm going to help you by using this bar model method.
Bar model
Let's
method.
do it together.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, Sean. You need 240 grams of chocolate
Yes,
so that
correct.
can fit it inside the container. Okay.
Yes.
This is 240 grams of chocolate.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is about
the value of 240 grams of chocolate. Now you can choose your chocolate.
Okay. So I put here. Let me just put this aside. So I
you
got
choose your first
160
chocolate.
grams.
160 grams. So
Yeah.
I represent this bar as 160 grams.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And you still can choose some more chocolates,
Oh
Sean.
yes. So I'm gonna take here 50 grams.
50 grams.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you have some more here.
Yeah, okay, 50 grams. Okay. I'll put another bar to represent 50 grams.
Okay.
All right.
I still have a bit more, right?
Yes.
So maybe I'll take another 50 grams.
Another 50 grams.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Another 50 grams. It's more than enough.
Oh
It's
no.
more than 240 grams, Sean.
Oh, okay. So only 240.
Yeah, you have to
So-
reselect again your chocolate.
Okay, I'm still gonna stick to this bar.
Okay.
So I still have 160
So I
grams.
maintain the 160 grams.
Okay, so I'll take another 40 grams.
40 grams. Okay. This is to represent 40 grams.
Okay,
Okay.
40 grams over there. And maybe another, I don't know, another 40 grams?
Another 40 grams.
Yeah.
This is to represent another 40 grams.
Okay.
It's just nice, Sean. You have selected 240 grams of chocolate and you can bring it back
Oh yes, really?
for free. Yes.
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Ragu.
Okay, so this is how I help you to solve your problem
Yep.
by using bar model method.
So this is the bar model
Yes.
method. So we'll be using this throughout the
Yeah,
entire
I'm converting the problem into bar models and to solve the problem so that you can see the problem clearly in visual form.
Okay. Oh, wow,
Alright.
that's very, very interesting. So what else are we going to learn throughout our
Okay.
exploration today?
The learning objective for today is
Yep.
to solve daily routine problems involving measurement
Okay.
using bar model method.
Okay.
And then create story based on the number sentence involving measurement. These two learning objectives for today.
Oh, this is really, really exciting, especially because I got some free chocolates. But before we continue, how about we take a short break because I need some time to eat these chocolates. I'll be back to you on Teroka on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
And we are back on Teroka on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Siwan, and also Mr. Ragu for our topic for today, which is Mathematics DLP. Alright, so let's begin our exploration.
Okay, before we learn more details about this bar model, we start to learn how to draw bar model
Okay.
and how to represent the value for the bar.
Alright.
Okay, let's start with this activity.
Okay.
This is a basic activity. Sean, can I use the whiteboard?
Of course, yes.
Alright. Okay, let's say I have a value for 1,500.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to draw a bar to represent 1,500. So I draw a bar,
Alright.
okay, to represent 1,500. And I'm going to draw another bar to represent, let's say, 750.
700.
Okay, how big you think, Sean, will be the size of the bar?
So definitely smaller than
Definitely smaller than this. Okay. So this is 1,500. If you see 750 is half of 1,500.
Correct,
So the
yes.
size of the bar that you're supposed to draw should be half of the first bar.
Okay.
Alright? So I draw another bar,
Yep.
which is half. This is just estimate only. Not necessarily must be exactly that size. Okay? We estimate the bar.
Alright.
So and you can label it as 750. Okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to draw another bar for 100.
Okay.
Okay, 100. Sean, can you try, Sean? To
From
draw
this
a bar? For 100?
Okay, I'll come over there. Maybe I'll use a different marker. Okay, thank you.
Alright.
So here, that means from here.
From 750, I need another one more bar for 100.
Okay, estimation, right?
Estimate only.
So estimate, I would estimate somewhere around here because this is 750.
Yeah, exactly.
So maybe this is about 100.
Very good, Sean.
correct?
You have estimated correctly.
Okay.
Yeah, well done.
All right.
Okay, so this is how you estimate and draw a bar.
Okay.
Now we go for second activity.
Okay, sure.
Okay, just now we try big numbers, 1,500,
Okay.
750. Now we try slightly smaller number,
All right.
which is 100, okay, 50, 20, and 10. Okay, kids at home, you can get papers and color pencil and you can start drawing as well. Okay, you can draw a bar for 100, 50, 20, and 10. Okay, let me start with 100.
Okay.
I'll change different color. Okay, I estimate this bar for 100.
All right.
Okay. Kids at home, can we have a look at their...
Yes, yes. Okay, so we can ask those who are also at home and also those of you who are online with us
Yes.
on Google Meet right now.
You can
prepare
start
your-
drawing, huh?
Yes. Your
Okay.
pen and your marker.
Okay, I show you the second bar. Okay, second bar is 50.
Alright.
50 is half of 100. So I draw another bar which is half of the first bar.
Correct.
And I label it 50. Okay, 20 and 10. We have a look at our kids at home.
All right. So they would have to draw all these
Yes,
two bars
exactly.
first as an estimation.
2 bars and another 2 bars to represent 20 and 10.
All right. Okay, let's just give them some time.
All
Also,
right.
for those of you watching at home, you can also give it a try, and we can also compare our answers and see
Yes.
whether you got that right. All right, if you're done, you can actually show it to the screen in front of you. I think Shahazik is also still doing. Okay, we have Zia.
Zia.
So he has. Okay. we
Okay,
got,
Zia, can you explain to us, Zia?
So the biggest bar is representing 100.
Okay.
The second smallest bar is 50.
All right.
The third bar is 20 and the last bar is 10.
Very good, Zia. Very good.
Well
you can see the
done.
difference. Very
Yeah.
good. Well done, Zia. So, 20. This to represent 20.
Okay.
And 10 is half of 20.
Yeah.
You can draw a small bar and to represent it as 10. This is how you represent bar using
The bar
the
model.
visual method,
Okay.
where you convert the problem into bar model.
Okay.
Now let's go for the next practice.
All right.
And we're going to match the bar according to the value.
All right.
Okay, sure. Can you help me with this?
Okay, sure. Should I
Alright.
stick this on the board?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So I assume I'm going to start with the longest bar first, right?
It's up to you, Sean.
Okay.
You can use any bar because the kid's going to match the bar.
Okay,
we're going to
okay,
challenge
alright.
that.
So then I'll start with this one.
Okay, I just put the value here.
Okay, it's not matched yet, right?
Yeah, not matched yet.
Not matched yet. Okay. So this, and then maybe I'll play around with this one. So I'll just give a gap over here, and then I'll go for this. Okay, and this one over here. So we got 4 bars, all at all at different lengths. And what Mr. Ragu is sticking on the whiteboard on that end is different values.
Value for the bars, okay? All right. So,
What
shall
are
we
supposed
call
to-
them?
Okay, yeah, sure. Who should we
Okay.
ask? So can we see a raise of hands?
Yes.
We got Arish and Abhishek raising their hands. Who should we start
Okay,
off with?
Abhishek,
Okay.
the first bar represent what value, Abhishek?
75.
75. Okay, can we match it, Sean?
Okay, shall I?
Yeah, please.
All right.
Thank
okay,
you.
so here, 75. So I'll just put it. Should I put
Yeah,
it
yeah.
next to?
Can.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay, 75. Okay, the second bar. Who going to try?
We got Arish.
Okay, Arish.
The second bar represents 250.
250.
Okay.
All right.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Okay. Over here.
250.
Okay.
Okay. The
And
third bar. Yes, Noel.
The third bar represents 500.
500. Okay.
All right. And the last bar.
And the last bar, Josephine.
The fourth bar represents 100.
100.
Okay, Mr. Ragu, is this correct?
Okay, let's check together.
Okay.
Okay, this is the longest bar to represent 500. Very good. Good job. And this is half of this.
Okay.
Represent 250. Very good. Well done.
All right.
Okay, and this is smaller than 250. Okay, represent 75. Very good. Well done.
Yep.
And this bar is slightly longer than this 75 to represent 100. Well done, kids at home.
Well done.
Very
Give yourselves a round of
good.
applause. And for those of you who also tried at home, I think this is something that we should also try and
Yes.
and find out and how we can actually solve this problem.
Yes. How to estimate and draw a bar according to the value. Okay, can we go for the next activity?
Yes, we
Alright,
can.
we will take this out.
Okay.
Sean, can you help me, Sean, please?
For the next one, or
Yeah.
should I take this out?
Yeah,
first?
take it out.
Okay. All right. So I'm just taking all of this out. Okay.
Okay. Okay, the next activity that we're going to do is we're going to convert a number sentence in mathematics and we're going to convert it to bar model. Okay, let's see the first question.
All right.
50 liter minus 30 liter. So how we going to convert this number sentence into bar model? Okay, 50 liter, we draw a bar and we label it 50 liter. Okay? 30 liter should be smaller than 50 liter. So we draw another small bar
All right.
to represent 30 liter. So 50 minus 30. So when you minus, you have to find the gap for this. This is what you're going to find. What is the size of this? Okay, so this is how you convert this number sentence into visual types of bar models.
All right.
Okay, to find the answer for this, so you have to take 50 liter minus 30 liter and you will get 20 liter.
All right.
So this is how you convert a number sentence to a bar model. Okay, this is very basic. Okay,
All right.
you got it, Chan?
Yes, got it.
All right.
Maybe we can give an example to the students to try out at home.
Can I'll give you another question.
All right.
Okay, kids at home, you can try this question. 6 kilogram times with 5. 6 kilogram times with 5. Can you start drawing?
6 kilograms times
with 5.
Okay. So they would need to represent this question or the solution. Oh,
Yes,
we
they
are
have to draw
converting
the bar.
question into a bar
Model.
method. Okay.
Yes.
All right. I can see them already doing it. So,
So 6 kilogram times with 5 means you must have a similar same size of bar, which each bar, the value of each bar is 6 kilogram, and you must have 5 same types of bar.
okay.
So this is what they have to draw.
Alright.
Kids at home also you can try, you can try draw.
So if let's say while they're drawing, if I were to represent it in a form of chocolate, for example.
Okay.
So like here, if let's say if the question was something else.
Alright.
3 chocolate bars of 160 grams.
Okay.
Right? So that would mean they have to be equal of size. So this is an example here.
Exactly.
I have 1. I have 2.
And you have 3.
I have 3.
So
they
if
are
I
all
want to find
equal.
the total mass of all the chocolates, so
Yep.
I can draw. You have
1.
160 gram
Yep.
and another 160 gram
Okay.
and another 160 gram.
Okay.
So if you want to find the total,
Yep.
you have to find the value for this, the whole thing.
For the whole bar.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is what you're going to find.
All right.
Okay, what operation do you use, Sean, to find this?
I think there are two methods I can use. It's either through multiplication,
Okay.
or addition.
Okay, if multiplication, what times what?
It would be 160 grams
160 grams
times 3.
times 3. Very good, Sean. Well done. If it's addition means?
It would be 160 grams
All right.
plus 160 grams
Plus 160 grams.
plus 160 grams.
Plus another 160
Yes,
grams.
correct.
Very good, Sean.
Yes.
As we know, multiplication is a repeated addition. So, okay, when you take 160 times with 3,
Yep.
it's equivalent to 160 gram plus 160 gram and plus another 160 gram. Okay, let's check the...
Yes, we should. Okay, so let's see the answers. Could you put it in front of the camera so that we can see all your answers? There we
The
go.
question was 6 kilogram times 5.
Okay. So let's just double check.
Okay.
Wow. All right. Okay, you can see the answers are quite similar, but there are some of them who've changed it a bit. You can see like Zia here has a question mark because he wants to represent what the question is asking. But I think ultimately all of them have answered correctly. Is that correct?
Exactly, yeah, correct.
Shall we choose one student for them to explain?
Noel, can you explain, Noel?
Yes, teacher. So, 6 kilograms times 5, we get 30 kilogram. You can also use the addition way because multiplication is a repeated addition. So, 6 kilograms times 5 equals to 30 kilogram.
Very good, Noel. Well done, Noel. Good
And
job.
of course, round of applause for the rest of you. I think they all have the
So
same
this
answer.
is how you present a number sentence to bar model. Can we try one more question?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Okay.
15 meter
Okay.
divide with 3. Now we go for division.
Okay.
Okay, 15 meter divide with 3.
All right.
Okay, so we have one big bar to represent 50.
Okay.
All right, one big bar to represent 15 meter. Now divide into 3. Divide into 3. So when division, as we know, you divide it into equal part. Equal part, which is 3 part. So what I have to draw down here, I have to break the length of this into 3 part.
Okay, I think before you show them, let's give some time for our students who are online and also at home to answer the question.
Sure.
Let's see your answers and see whether you get it right.
All right.
And we'll find out after this short break. Stay tuned on Teroka on DLP KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Oh, is that true? Oh, you are now watching Teroka on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Siren, and also Mr. Ragu. Now, just before the break, we've actually given the students online as well as at home to answer a question where we're giving them 15 meters, correct?
Yes,
15 meters
divide into 3.
divide into 3. Let's see whether they have completed their task. Can we see your answers? Just show it to the front of the camera so we're able to see your answers. All right. Wow. I love their handwriting. It looks really good. Maybe we can get Shah Haziq to explain how you got your answer. Hi Shah Haziq.
Shazik, you can unmute your mic.
Yes.
So the 15 meter, you divide it into 3 boxes and you only need to find only one box. That's why I shaded the box, only the first one.
Okay.
And you'll get your answer 5 meter.
So the boxes are all equally
equally
of
divided.
equal size, is it?
Yes. Very good, Shazik. You have done it correctly.
Well done.
15 divide with 3. This is how we represent 15 divide with 3 with bar models.
All right. Thank you so much for your answers. Well done to all of you. And I actually am very curious. From the start of the show until now, I'm wondering what are these for?
Okay, today we're going to do roast milk.
Ooh,
Okay.
me like it. Yes.
All right. Before we do roast milk, Sean, I would like to give you a task.
Okay.
What is the total milliliter of rose milk that we can do
Okay.
with this plain water,
Okay.
milk and syrup.
Oh.
This is a problem actually in maths.
Yes, correct.
Okay,
correct.
we're going to solve this problem in real life situation by measuring the water and we solve it.
Okay.
All right, I think I need Sean to measure the water.
Okay.
We start with the plain water, Sean.
Plain water over
All
here.
right,
Let me just
you can
shift
measure
this
with
aside.
this measuring cylinder.
Okay. So I'll just
Alright.
pour this in, yeah?
Yes.
All right, so here we go.
I'll hold for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Here. All the way in. All of it?
Yes.
Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Okay.
Okay. So can you measure what is
Okay,
the volume?
so the scientific way of measuring, I have to put my eye level same to the meniscus level.
Science student, huh?
Okay, so this is about 210 milliliters.
210 milliliters. Okay. I will represent this bar as 210 milliliter.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh wait, did I get that right?
210 milliliters.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's 220.
220.
220.
Okay.
My mistake. Human error.
No problem.
All right.
Okay, 220 milliliter. Okay.
Yep.
How about the syrup?
Syrup. Okay,
Okay,
let's go for. Or shall we go for the milk?
Yeah, we can go for the milk
Okay, go
first.
for the milk. I'll pour this in. All right. So here we go. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay. So there we go.
Okay.
And again, the proper way to measure is to go here.
All right.
And I would say this is about 86 milliliters.
86.
Yes. Is that right? Yeah.
86, huh?
86.
All right. So this to represent 86 milliliter.
All right.
All right. Okay, and then the syrup.
Syrup. Okay, let me just shift this aside. And let me put this in here. I'm not sure if the camera is able to view this, but hopefully. Just pour this in. Yeah, oh. Smells good. I can really smell the sweetness of the syrup. And here we have 44 milliliter.
44 milliliter.
Yes.
All right. So this blue bar to represent the syrup. 44 milliliter.
All right.
Okay, Sean. Now we're going to find the total volume of rose milk that we're going to get.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think, Sean? What operation do we need to use? Which part do we going to find?
I think we have to find the entire length of the bar.
Very
In this
good.
sense, yeah.
Exactly. We're going to find the whole entire length of the bar.
Yes.
So to find the whole bar, can we use multiplication here, Sean?
I think that would be difficult, or probably it would. I don't think so. It would be right.
Okay.
So I think to add this together, I think we should use addition.
Very good,
Or
Sean.
cross it
Addition.
together,
We cannot use multiplication because it's not the same size. Multiplication is a repeated addition. You add the same thing again and again and
yes,
again.
that's right,
So
yeah.
because of this is not the same size, so you cannot use multiplication. You have to use addition. So we take 220 milliliter.
Yes.
We plus with 86 milliliter.
All right.
And we plus with 44 milliliter. Okay, kids at home, can you try to add this and let me know the answer? All right.
Okay.
So
I
have
also
you done?
see there's another bigger.
Okay, Sean, I think you can put all the water
all into one, yeah.
to do rose milk
Okay,
while
so
they count the total.
Usually at home,
Yeah.
I'll put the water first.
All right.
Okay, because we want to mix this all together.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll put the syrup in.
All right.
Okay.
Ooh, it's
Oh,
yummy.
yes. And then we got the milk in here. Okay. Oh, that's the one right there.
Wow.
Nice and pink. Okay, so I'm not sure if the camera can see, but I'll try to measure it using my eyes. So we have about 300, close to 350.
Okay, almost.
Almost there,
All right.
almost there. But because also this is something to do with science where the
Exactly.
size of the atom or the size of the molecules
Yes.
itself will somehow fit with each other, making it about less than 250.
Okay,
But I
let's see.
think,
The kids
yes.
at home.
Let's see if you have your answers.
Have you had?
Yes, we have Abhishek with the first one raising
Okay.
his hand.
Let's check Abhishek answer.
Okay. All right. So
okay. Abhishek have.
yes.
So 220 milliliter and 86 milliliter and 44 milliliter. I added and I got 350 milliliter.
Very good, Abhishek. You get a correct answer.
Well
350 milliliters of rose milk. Thank you, Abhishek.
Yum, yum, yum.
So this is how we represent a problem in real life situation, two-bar model, and get the answer according to the question.
That's right.
Okay.
And after this 350 ml will not have anything left because all this 350 ml will go into my stomach.
Okay, all right. Can we go to the next question?
Yes, we
Okay,
should.
we have the question in slide.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll just place this aside. All right. So let's look at the slides for our next question. Okay, so since what is coming? Oh, there it is.
there.
We see it. Okay, so
Okay, measurement using bar model method.
okay. You can press down for the next slide. There we
Okay, all right. Okay, we have a problem here. Can kids at home, can you help us to read the problem? Okay, Noel, can you help me, Noel?
Yes, teacher. Ali is planning to cook chicken rice for his. Excuse me, teacher, the slideshow.
Yeah,
yes.
can you see the slide?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
He's planning to cook chicken rice for his family on National Day.
Okay.
He needs 3 kilograms of rice. He has 3 packets of them. Are these packets of rice enough? Does he need to buy more rice?
Okay, thank you, Noel. We have the rice here, 3 packets of rice.
There we go. So I have here.
Okay.
So this is exactly like the diagram. Oh, sorry,
Exactly.
exactly like the slide.
Yes.
So we have 1 kilogram of rice here, I
Yes.
believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we have a smaller one here, which is 500 grams.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have 800 grams over here.
All right. Now we're going to check and see whether the rice is enough or not. Okay. What we need is 3 kilogram of rice. Okay, this bar is to represent 3 kilograms of rice.
All right.
Okay, the first packet is how many kilogram?
The big one?
Yes.
Okay, I have a
You have
scale.
a measurement
Yeah, okay,
scale
let me just
there.
place this aside here. Let me bring this to the center so everyone at home can see it as well. I'm not sure whether it's on. Okay, let's press the on button. And
Okay, it's in.
okay, it is. So here, let's just see whether we can get the value. Okay, so that's 999.
999.
Okay, but I think it's 1 kilogram.
1 kilo.
1
Okay,
kilogram.
all right.
Yeah,
All
1
right. So
kilogram.
I represent this blue bar as 1 kilogram.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. How about the next packet?
Next packet, the second biggest one that we have is about 800 grams.
800 grams. Okay,
Yes.
I will represent this red bar for 800 grams.
All right.
Okay.
And the next one, let me just put this to this side here so I can see it. The next one we have is 500 grams.
500 grams. So I will represent this red bar, yellow bar for 500 grams.
All right.
Okay, Sean, from this bar, you can know that is it enough or not enough?
Okay, let me think. There seems to be a gap.
Yes.
So I believe it is not enough.
Yes, very good, Sean. It's not enough.
Yes.
So when you look at the rice, you don't know to estimate whether it's enough or not enough.
Yeah.
So when you convert the problem into graphic,
Okay.
which is in bar model, so you can see clearly it's not enough. You need this amount of rice to get 3 kilograms of rice.
Okay.
Okay. So how to find the gap? How much more rice do I need?
All right.
So what operation do I need to use?
Shall we ask the students who are
Yes.
online? What operation do we need to solve this problem?
Okay, another problem is
Yep.
all the units are in different unit. We need 3 kilogram of rice.
Okay.
And we have 1 kilogram.
Yes.
We have 500 grams. And we have 800 grams.
Oh.
All these are in different units. Okay? To make yourself easier to count, it's better to change everything to the same unit.
Okay.
Okay, we go for the smaller unit. Okay, 3 kilogram we're going to convert into gram.
All right.
1 kilogram, how many grams? Can kids at home help me?
Yes, we have Jashwin.
1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram.
Thank you, Jaswin. So 3 kilogram equivalents to? Jaswin?
3000 gram.
Very good. So we have 3000 gram and 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. So we minus 1000 gram.
Okay.
Okay. And we got 2000. We need more 2000 gram.
Okay.
And the second packet is 500 grams. So we minus another 500 gram. And we need another 1500 gram. And the third packet is 800 gram. So we minus 800 gram.
Okay.
And how much more rice that we need?
So this is the balance rice that we need
Yes,
to complete.
the balance that we need. Yes,
Okay.
Arish, can you help me, Arish?
Yes, teacher.
How much more rice do I need?
700 more grams.
700 grams. Very good, Arish. Thank you very much.
Well done.
So you need another 700 grams. So this is how you convert a problem to bar model and solve the problem according to the question needs.
Yeah, so that means that missing bar over there, the one that you highlighted,
Yes.
is supposed to be 700 grams. correct?
700 grams, exactly.
Wow, okay. So I think this is something that we can use in our daily lives. For example, when we're making the rose milk drink, we also have the bag of rice. I think even, for example, if you want to get potatoes at home, and
Exactly.
let's say mom says that we need 5 kilograms of potato to make mashed potato. And we only have 400 grams. So this is where we can visually represent the
Exactly.
problem to solve it. I think it's very, very interesting. But after this, we have more things to do. Something to do with spinning the wheel. If you want to find out, make sure you stay tuned. We're going to take a short break and be back to you on Teroka on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
What? We don't have time? We are now watching Teroka on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, and also Mr. Ragu. Now, before we end our exploration, we have one more activity to do. What is that?
Okay, now we're going to challenge the kids' HOTS level. Do you know what is HOTS?
Hot.
Not that hot, huh?
Oh, okay, no.
Hot is higher order thinking skill.
Okay.
We're going to challenge the kid with higher order thinking skills questions.
All right.
Okay, what they're going to do is, Sean, I want you to help me to spin the wheel and get 3 numbers for them.
Okay.
With that 3 numbers, the kids have to create a problem. A mathematical problem.
All right.
All right?
Okay.
Okay, let's start spinning.
Okay, so here we go. First number is look. Number 4.
4. Okay,
Number
the first
4.
number is 4.
Okay, next one. The next number is 8.
8. The second number is 8.
Okay, and the last one, the final number. I feel like I'm in a game show right now. Yeah. It's number 8 again.
8 again.
Or shall we do another number? Is that okay?
No, okay.
Okay, so we have 4
We challenge them.
Okay,
We challenge them.
let's go.
Okay, so you got 4, 8, and another 8.
All right.
Okay, so we give them some time to create a problem with these numbers.
Okay, great.
Okay,
great.
actually, higher order thinking questions, Sean, kids will be having a lot of problems to solve these kind of questions.
Okay.
Because with the problems are in words.
Yes.
So sometimes when they read 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, they can't understand the problem.
Yes.
So when you convert the problem into bar model,
Alright.
so they can see the problem clearly and answer according to the question needs. This is where the bar model helps them.
All right.
Like certain questions you read 5 times, 10 times also you cannot understand the question.
Yeah.
Once you start draw the problem, okay, you start to label everything, you draw everything, then you can see the problem clearly. So
yeah.
this is the intention of this bar model method.
Oh, wow, yeah. It seems to be
it
very,
really helps
very
the kids
useful.
actually.
All right. Let's see whether our kids are done with your answers. If you're done, just raise
if
your
you're
hand.
done, just show me your like hand.
Okay, we have...
Oh, Jaswin.
Wow, super fast. All right, can you present your problem to us?
Yes.
Okay. Achong drink 4 liter of water in a week. Muthu drink 8 liter of water in a week. And Ali drink 8 liter of water in a week. What is the total volume of water did Achong, Muthu and Ali drink?
Very good.
Wow.
It's a problem actually. Yes.
Wow.
To find the
that's
total
amazing.
volume of water that they drink.
Yeah.
Very good, Jasmine. Very good. Can you draw it in bar model and can you solve the problem? You already draw. So fast. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Can we check together, Sean?
All right. So
Okay.
as you can see, there's 4 liter in
4
one
liter,
box, 8 liter in
8
one
liter,
box.
and another 8 liter. Very good, Jasmine. The 8 liter and 8 liter is same size.
Yes.
Very good. Your estimation is very good. Okay, what is the total volume of water they drink?
20 liter in a week.
20 liter.
20 liter in a week.
Very good. 20 liter
that
is the
correct?
correct answer.
Well done.
Congrats. Okay, can we try one more round?
I think we can try. We can just do a quick one.
Okay,
All right.
a quick one. One
quick
more round.
one, huh?
Okay.
Let's see. The number is number 4.
Number 4.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Seems to be the favorite number for today, yeah? Okay. We got stuck at number 10. Oh,
No?
number 9.
Number 9. Okay. 4, 9,
Okay.
and one more number.
One more number. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it stopped at number 15. So
15.
The arrows here. Okay, let me just. There we go.
15, huh?
15.
Alright. So 4, 9, and 15.
All right.
So we have 4, 9, and 15.
I think
So
it's
if
also,
a kids
it's a-
they be able to create a problem means their level of thinking is very high. They able to invent something.
Yes,
So
correct.
inventing is very high level of higher order thinking actually.
That's true. Because
So-
they already understand the concept. Therefore, they
Exactly.
can create questions
Yes,
from
yes.
the situation itself.
Exactly.
All right. So let's see if any one of you have already completed your question. Oh, sorry, your problem
Your problems.
from the numbers that are given.
The number that we have is 4, 9, and 15.
Okay.
Let's see how they relate this number with the topic today, measurement, and how they draw the bar model to represent their problem.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Looks like Noel. Noel, are you done yet? No, not yet. Okay. Seems to be like a race right now.
Yes.
But I think it's also, like you mentioned,
What,
it's very, very
what do you
useful.
think about this bar model, Sean?
I think it's very, very useful. I've never, I don't recall learning this in school before, but I would say that it's, for example, if you can't understand the question in words,
Yes.
sometimes it's good for you to visualize it and see.
Exactly.
And it can be applied in a different sense as well when it comes
Yes.
to our daily problems. For example, if you want to know how many more minutes are there for each task, I have a certain number of minutes,
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone else that's done yet? You can just raise your hand straight away. Or raise your answer.
The numbers are 4, 9, and 15, huh?
Yeah. Maybe the problem that I can come up from
Okay,
for
so
this.
you can try
For
one
example,
problem. All right.
in one day I have to wipe the table and that takes 4 minutes.
4
I
minutes,
have to
okay.
drink a glass of water and that will take 9 minutes.
All right.
And I have to brush my teeth and that will take 15 minutes. Very long to brush your teeth, but that's just an example. So how much of time have I used? I can plus or add 4, 9, and 15 and I will get 28.
Bravo!
Yeah, 28.
Congrats, Sean.
Yeah,
Congrats.
so 28 minutes in total
Very
to complete
good.
the 3 tasks.
Sean able to create a problem with
Yeah.
these numbers. Very good, Sean.
Yay! Okay, anyone else? Final call? I think while waiting for the students to complete it,
Yeah.
maybe you can also give us a...
Jasmine is ready.
Oh yes, Jashwin! Again, wow, okay, here we go.
Okay, so Adam bought 4 kg of chicken.
Okay,
Okay.
Siti bought 9 kg of chicken.
alright.
Okay.
And Muzamil bought 15 kg of chicken. What is the total mass of kg of chicken did Adam, Siti and Muzamil bought?
Okay, the total mass of the chicken that they bought. Very good. Okay.
28 kilos, and I see that the bar model
Yes.
is done very well. Well done, Jashwin!
Congrats, Jasmine.
And for those of you, the rest of you, if you have completed, just show it in front. You don't
Okay,
need to
just
explain.
show your-
Want to see it there? Okay, if you're not complete, don't worry. Okay, we got Irish showing it there. Well done.
Okay, Arish have some different types of bar. Can Arish, can you share your problems? Arish?
Yes, teacher. Adam has 15 pencils. He
Can
gave
you show
9
your
pencils
bars?
to his brother. Oh, okay. Yes, sure. So,
Okay.
Adam has 15 pencils. He gave 9 pencils to his brother.
Okay.
He gave another 4 pencils to his classmate. How many pencils does Adam have left?
Okay.
Oh, so he did it in a different way. So
Different way of
adding it,
problems.
He
yeah.
gave a total
he
number
had 15
and then
pencils and he gave 4 pencils to somebody else and 9 pencils to another person. And what are the number of pencils left?
yes.
Good try.
All right, well done,
Well done,
everyone.
Arish.
But before we end, how about we get a very short summary from Mr. Ragu
Can,
of our
okay.
lesson today?
So today we have learned bar model method to solve problem solving. Okay, actually bar model method, when we convert a problem to visual type, we can see the problem more clearly and we can answer the questions according to the question need. That is the most important thing. So
Yes.
that's the main intention of my lesson today, to teach you how to convert a problem or a number sentence in maths to bar model.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Ragu, and also to our
Welcome.
students who are online right now. And don't forget, tomorrow we are celebrating National Day, so remember to raise our Jalo Gemilang in celebration of National Day.
Yes. Okay, I have a surprise for you, Sean.
You do?
Yes, I have something for you today.
Yes? Oh.
All
That's
right.
amazing! Nice!
Okay. Cake for
Wow,
Merdeka
okay.
celebration
Let me just show
tomorrow.
this to everyone. Look at how lovely it is. Wow! And I think I want to share this with all my friends here. I
Okay,
have about
Sean,
8
I'm going to
friends
give
with
you
me.
a task.
Okay.
As a maths teacher,
Okay.
I want you to divide the cake equally into 8 parts.
8 parts.
Yes.
Okay, so 8 parts would mean I would need to using the bar method, right?
Yes.
Can I have that?
All right,
okay.
sure.
So should I cut it?
Can.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to cut it first into half because I want it to be equal.
Okay.
Oh, such a lovely cake.
Yes,
I'm so
fraction,
sorry.
you divide it into equal part. Very
Okay,
good.
so maybe I can go it this way as well, equally
Alright.
on this end. Okay, so now I have 4. Okay, I have 4 parts, so if I want to divide it further, okay, so I've already cut it here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
I'm going to cut here another half to make each side 4 and another 4.
All right.
And that would mean I have separated it equally.
Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So
Very
now,
good, Sean. Well done.
me
You
and
have
my
cut
friends
the
can enjoy this
cake into 8
wonderful
equal
cake.
parts.
Yes.
Alright.
Thanks again, Mr. Ragu, for this wonderful surprise. And for
Welcome.
those of you watching, hopefully this has been beneficial to you. We're gonna end the show right now so that I can eat my cake. And we'll see you in the next episode on Teroka on the TV KPM. Happy National Day tomorrow. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.